Hello everyone, we are Team Geminus and we are presenting you the future of autonomous vehicle technology, your car driven by generative AI. As mechatronics students, we noticed the need for a convenient transportation solution on our campus. So, we decided to embark on an ambitious journey to build an autonomous vehicle. During our research, we came across various AI algorithms like behavior cloning, reinforcement learning, and many others. However, we encountered a condition or a requirement, that is to create a map before deploying a self-driving car. That's when we stumbled upon a breakthrough. Leveraging the power of Gen AI, we realized we could provide quick and precise decision-making results without the need for pre-processed maps. Before taking our project into the real world, we planned to test it extensively on the Carla simulator. Carla is an open-source simulator designed for the development and testing of autonomous driving systems. On the screen, you can observe on the top left corner the front camera view, and on the right side of the screen, the third-person view. On bottom left, you can see the response Gemini is producing from the images sent by the front camera. Right now, the model detects the traffic light signal and sends the decision if it can proceed further or it needs to stop. Later, a control script receives the signal, and then the car moves accordingly. This method also runs beautifully with low lighting conditions and bad weather. Our project is divided into various stages, from stage 0 to stage 5. Stage 0, which you are currently seeing, involves basic run and stop commands by taking the input from the camera and passing it through Gemini AP. Later, progressing towards stage 5, we will be fine-tuning a model, so it gives better responses. As you can see, we are having a delay of 3 to 4 seconds, which could be a bit dangerous if we are on highways. So to overcome this, we are planning to run it on board so that there won't be much delay, and finally we will use this on the hardware setup. Our ultimate goal is to develop a self-driving car capable of making complex decisions in any condition, thanks to Gemini's visual question answering capabilities. With our interdisciplinary team and innovative approach, we believe our project not only has applications in self-driving cars, but also in robotics, particularly in upcoming humanoid robot technology. Thank you for your attention. We're excited to showcase the potential of the generative AI in autonomous vehicle.